In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account. We'll walk through the entire process from opening the site to setting up your wallet so you can start sending and receiving money with confidence. Begin by opening a web browser on your computer or installing the official PayPal app on your phone. Make sure you're on the genuine PayPal website or the verified app from your device's app store to keep your information secure. Once you're there, look for the sign up or create an account button and select it. Next, choose the type of account you want. A personal account is ideal if you plan to shop online, split bills, or send and receive money with friends and family. A business account is designed for selling products or services and includes tools for invoices and checkout. If you're unsure, you can start with personal and upgrade later if needed. Enter your email address and continue. This will be your login and where PayPal sends notifications, so choose an email you check regularly. Then create a strong password. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. Store it somewhere secure so you don't lose access. Now fill in your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. Use your legal name and accurate details, as this helps prevent issues when verifying your account or linking financial institutions. Provide your mobile number and verify it using the security code that PayPal sends you. If the code doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment or check your signal and try again. Before you proceed, review PayPal's terms and conditions and privacy notices. It's worth taking a moment to understand how your data is used and what protections you have. When you're ready, click Create Account to complete the basic setup. To get the most out of PayPal, go to Wallet and link a bank account or a debit or credit card. This step is optional but recommended, as it lets you add funds, withdraw money, and pay seamlessly at checkout. Make sure the name on your bank or card matches the name on your PayPal account. Depending on your bank or card issuer, you may be asked to confirm small test charges or complete an extra verification step for security. That's it, your PayPal account is ready. You can send and receive money, shop online securely, and explore features like transaction history and purchase protection. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with your account settings, and you're good to go.